Leo. This is your channel messages for the 15th of April. Leo, I heard a little thing from the grapevine and I want to share with you, Leo. No, I am not accusing anybody of doing anything, but I stumbled across a little story yesterday and I wanted to share it with my Leo placements. Leo, so a little birdie tell me that there's a big thing happening in Nigeria underground. Apparently, there are some, no, I did hear the story about the American girls going to Dubai to sleep with men for a lot of money and the men want them to the camels. Me hear about the story. I heard about girls flying to Dubai so men could shit on them for money. I heard that story. Apparently, there has been an underground story when it comes on to Nigeria. Specifically, is it Lagos? Lagos? I was wondering, and you know what? Okay, so apparently there are some women in Nigeria who get paid up to $1 million. Is it Nigra? To sleep with men and them dogs. No, I'm not accusing anybody of anything, but it was very weird to me how the Bailey sister, Chloe, said how she just want to be a big fat dog. Years later, she gone to Nigeria with Burna Boy. Now, I don't know if you know this, but a lot of people think fucking them dogs will make them rich. No, that is bestiality. You're having sex with an animal. So apparently there are girls in Nigeria, there are men in Nigeria that will pay high money for the girls to have sex with dogs. The problem is, me feel like you or somebody you know is one of those girls who had sex. Me getting somebody a ball out. As in, them have money. Me don't know what kind of undercover job them say them have. But me getting somebody take a trip to Nigeria and come back with beer Russian pussy sore. It's not Ebola, sweetie. I'm getting the infection come from a dog. And I'm getting it's uncurable. Me getting una dead in under a month after. Una get some big sore on you and the sore pus oozy. Una get rash, scratch up. Me getting drooling. Uncontrollable drooling and the drooling foul smell and it smell weird. And me getting when you start get sick like you have AIDS. The only thing is, AIDS don't eat your skin. AIDS and HIV don't eat out your skin. AIDS and HIV will cause your white blood cells to turn weak. Apparently, me getting somebody, them have some weird ass sores, pussy oozy sores on them. I don't know if somebody Nigerian or I don't know if somebody went to go take a trip to Nigeria. You notice, you see all of the girls them gone to Nigeria and them a ball out, half of them a dog. Now you should know because this is something we come in contact with one time. The dogs are not animals, them is demons. Me getting, you gonna meet one dog. The dog gonna act like human. The dog gonna have a smile like a human. The dog eyes are gonna look in love with you like a human. So me getting, yeah, deal with some man. That's the underground secret, sweetie. I was always very wary of men. I'm not talk about, I don't want to put this guy on blast even though he came out and said he did this. If you're the type of man for put peanut butter on your and make your dog lick it off. Me getting, and that's why you're so famous and you have so much money. Apparently, there is a very nasty, encryptic thing of bestiality giving you good luck to fame. The problem is the girl them who asleep with these animals, first of all, them are an animal, them are demon. That's why them eyes and them expression look like humans. I was always wary of when you say men who single for long time and them have dog. I know you, and the problem is them not fucking the dogs with condoms. So me getting somebody go Nigeria and come back with, or me getting you one man or a woman And after that, you have high fever, you have itch, and you have broken out sore on your skin. Kind of like Ebola, right? Yeah, me getting that's why when them run so much tests on you, them can't find nothing. It's from a dog. You get infected by a dog. So, but just I say, sometimes women do not judge other women when you see them with things. You don't know where them get it from. And you don't know ultimately the price them have to pay at the end. Because I'm getting somebody infected, them smell like them are dead. And I'm getting the whole of them a ooze out pus. Them skin scaly and dry. It's like them are turning into a dog. Are they barking? Them a lash out like a dog? Yeah, somebody into bestiality. Or I'm getting you get paid for fuck a dog. Let us go ahead and go into your reading. Leo. Leo. Hi, Leo. I'm sure you're familiar with that magic, Leo. Me getting you go somewhere and one stray is a stray dog. A stray dog from nowhere. Were you out with a Leo and me getting one stray dog from nowhere just walk up to you and I follow you? The stray dog just so friendly with you. The eyes look so different. The smile look like the dog look like it's human, right? Me getting that's the blood clot price they make you pay. You have no idea what a Leo did to you involving a dog. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Leo. Let us go, let us go. Half of these girls you see online, them a sex worker. Let me tell you something. The money them are bringing, and the pussy are bringing that money. A bestiality are bring that money in. You need to know that. And you need to know that is not, once you cross that path, a bestiality, and you have for money, you're not even up because it's an animal. You do it for money. Your ending are going to be very, very painful. Let's go. Leo. We have the 5 of Swords coming. Yes, spite. Somebody spite you and somebody turn it into a fucking dog. Because that's how it seems. Or me getting again. You thought these animals were normal. Them not. Me getting bad breath. Me getting your drool, beer pus and oozy thing on your skin. Me getting you meet one man and you agree. Me getting him give you a lot of money. Enough. Fuck one animal. Me getting you say yes. We have the 6 of Cups. You never know where you was having sex with. That's a demon. That's not an animal. It looked too human. And you should ask yourself, why would a man want you to have sex with an animal and I give you so much money? What kind of pleasure an animal need that? You never even say you're gonna make 2 dogs have sex in the room and you and your girl have sex in the room. You want your girl, random women, beautiful women. I wonder if that's why the whole of the girl them run gone a Lagos. I'm sorry, I'm not Nigerian. We have a Fool card, we have freedom. Maybe you were one of the persons who was supposed to go on a trip. Your friend say, yes, me and you go on a trip, go make some money for one man. Me getting you never went with her. And she come back sick. She come back with a rash. And she had ooze out everywhere and she smelled like she had dead. She went on a trip to Nigeria, go fuck one dog, by one very, very rich Nigerian man. And me getting she infected. We have the Page of Pentacles and we also have Leo, the Sun card. Leo, what did you do? Me getting something about you have sex with an animal. You know, me getting at the smell of a wet animal, a dog, a wet animal. The dog smell wet. Me don't know, like a moldy dog, wet smell. Me don't know if you have sex with dog's corpse. I know this is really, Mr. Mohan, I'm very, very sorry. It's a message what me get. Please know that I don't come here to disrespect your guidelines for your channel. Is clear, is messages what me get. So I'm getting something like that I go on, Leo. Or some type of cult, you know, involving having this woman and this dog very, very close together. Did we ever really find out what Ebola was? Because Ebola did kill you fast, remember? Ebola was so bad, them say you couldn't touch anybody. It wasn't like COVID-19. You could have touched people, but you have to wash your hand and put on a mask. The Ebola, it was causing bleeding. It had bleed. Your eyes and nose did bleed. Me getting somebody go Nigeria, go get 1 million or more. What? Niagara? Nigra? Nigga! That's what them do and get unprotectedly. That's what happened. And me getting them can't hide it because the whole of them full of sore. Them sore up and ooze out and pus out. The 5 of swords is clarified by the Knight of Cups. Yeah, me getting to meet this man, one rich man. Me getting the man look nice, him smell nice. And him say, come let me fly you out. Me getting this man have a weird, nasty, bestiality. Me getting the whole of them in a one cult. The 6 of Cups is clarified by the Star card. Yeah, me getting a beautiful women, sex workers. And me getting the money was undeniable. That's like you fuck a dog one time and you're set for life. That's like a Canadian man say, come have sex with this animal. I'm gonna give you like 2 mil Canadian. That, you know, that's not set for life, but that's the money. That's how much money these rich, elite, me getting at some politicians. Some politician. I'm not gonna lie, when I say politicians advocating to the people with dog in the advertisement, I know you have the dog. But me getting, you either never went on a trip, or maybe you had school and you said, no, I can't miss this semester. Because me getting, yeah, struggle, you don't have much. You want to know why so much girl around you have so much? They mean to bestiality. You think vagina and penis are sell? No. Gone are the days of OnlyFans. And God knows if you join OnlyFans, the type of requests you're getting for do stuff with animals. Because I hear stories of women who them get paid for go to a place, go pick up a package. When them pick up the package is a dog, one animal. And them I get payment through OnlyFans. I say, okay, I'm going to pay you $100 for go for the package. When you come back, I give you 100. Pick up the package is a dog. She come back with the dog. What you want me to do with the dog? I want you for the dog and take a video of it and I will send you $1,000. You think girls taking off clothes and showing them pussy and nipples are the worst? Only don't know what the worst. Bestiality depend on OnlyFans. That's you're supposed to know that. The Fool card is clarified by the 8. Yeah. Me getting them trap you. See the dog here? Me never even see the dog. See the dog here? Or me getting me getting you free now. See the dog here. Me kinda getting there's a man Leo, me don't know if you used to have sex with your dog. And you never want the secret come out. So me getting you do this weird ass shit. And you do it to the girl you was with. For hide the fact say you have sex with a dog. So the dog here. I may get to the dog, I'll warn you. Because you're walking off a cliff and the dog will warn you. You never listen. You're too greedy for the money. Somebody else was not. Yeah, somebody else was not greedy for the money though. Somebody else was willing for work them way up. Them not sure how long harvesting going to take, but them was willing for wait. Me getting somebody else want quick money. Them want fast money. Am I getting this worse than AIDS? You think AIDS bad? You think HIV bad? You think herpes bad? Me getting some pretty girl. The Strength card is clarified by the 5. Yeah. Am I getting after you did this weird dog shit to the girl? You left her. I shouldn't know what happened. Leo, I think it's time for you to come out and say that you've been fucking a dog. Or you pay one girl for fuck a dog and you just, I don't know, you just, I'm getting something about this creepy, this, huh. So you used to have sex with a dog, Leo? You used to sleep with the dog in the bed and hold on for the dog and put on a condom and have sex with the dog, right, Leo? Me getting anal penetration. And you know what me getting also? Me getting your dog have worms and you had sex with a dog without protection. And now you have a parasites in your penis. We have Capricorn. We have a number 6. We have Uranus. We're getting something about anal penetration of the animal that you have. And that's why when you're done with them and you're done with the content, you run go put the animal down. We have Wednesday. We have the soul was soul. Yeah, you have an animal for money. And you create this whole smoke and mirror narrative. So somebody else have dog. One more. Did you say a Taurus for a dog, Leo? Because I'm getting, it wasn't a Taurus. It was, where is it? It was you. Or you did some, you and your brotherhood did some type of spell work for make the Taurus seem like them a one pet. Me getting the spell has been broken and everything will come crashing down, Leo. Me getting the only way the spell could have been broken, somebody had to lose everything. Cause maybe you meet okay, so you meet one Taurus, you do this weird ass ritual with the Taurus and the dog, and then the Taurus went homeless because the Taurus curse. Them never kill themselves, and thankfully the Taurus never a dog forget sick. The curse overlap and they made it out of homelessness. Me getting your health a decline, Leo. You have beer sore upon you and you can't tell nobody why. Doctors don't know why either. Yeah. The worm that's in your penis that come from a dog. Me getting your skin a scale, your skin a peel off. Your skin a peel with sore, open sore. Yeah, you have sex, it's bestiality. That's what happened. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.